Ah, sorry. uh, Today we're playing MM2. Don't forget to thumbs up. Guys, can you please like, subscribe to my video? Guys, I'm not a copy of Vinny. I'm baby Vinny. Guys, I'm not a Vinny. I'm a baby Vinny. Like, you on you to you on YouTube. I have any avatar. OMG. Slay. I'm her kid. I'm baby Bunny. I'm baby Bunny. I'm gonna dance with her. And not the icebox. Oh. Buy this one. Oh. You guys don't mind that. They're building another house there. Crazy, right? And it's like right next to ours, so like that's like one thing. I'll buy this one. Is she a real person? Cause why does she not spawn over there? That's kind of odd. Do you want to be on YouTube? Do you want to be on you? Do you want to be on you? On YouTube? She's already gonna be on YouTube otherwise. I'm sorry. Bro, last time I recorded a video, I was breaking that guy's ankles on this map. I was breaking his ankles. He looked frustrated from his avatar. Okay, that's not funny. Brother team. Oh heck no, I hate teamers. Brother team, I'm in. His brother said no. Slay. No, I think he said no because people are gonna hate on him for teaming. That's it. That's the one. Bro, give me the please give me the gun. I play M2 aim trainer. Please give me the gun. Please give me the gun. Bro, why is he hiding from me? Can everyone back up? They just want the gun. Bro, I'm just waiting for him to come out. So move. Bro, I hate that. I wanted to shoot him. The thing. No. I'm saying, bro. I wanted. What? Oh. Wanted. Oh, dang, I'm dumb. I want to shoot him. Bro, I want to shoot him. Sucks. Hey. Humana. Yeah, by the way, so do you know the beach mat thing? I was breaking the guy's ankles. I had to delete the video because they had no sound to it. Wait, who's the murderer? I'm confused. Bro, can everyone stop chasing me? That's why he's a spam jumper. Camper just like you. Bro, play MM2 aim trainer. Then you'll get good like me. Flip. It takes her like 10 years to die. Wanna be on YouTube? Okay. Oh. Bro, I want to be sheriff this round so bad. Like, in the name of Jesus, can I please be sheriff? Please, please, please. Please, 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 please. Please, please, sheriff, next time, please, please. Next round, like right now. Like right now, please, please, please. Oh. I mean, well, that's new. What the flip? Did he just climb? Oh. My bad. Bro, she should have saw the gun. I mean, the... Oh, no. Bro. Not him breaking my ankles. I had enough of that. Come here. Bro, freaking hate you, bro. I'm sorry, but I don't hate you. I'm a winner. Bro, but the fleek. She's not even shooting at me. Well, I'm just going to go to the lobby, like, create this. No. Freak you. I reset again. What? Ugh. It's a pattern. I want the short. I want the house one, the small one, or house two, whatever. No. No. Well, if I get innocent, maybe I could beat everything. Who knows? Since y'all are camping. Guys, I want to make a short so freaking bad. So I'm going to end the video right after this round. Ah! Slimy red girl. Oh, I thought that was a gun. I thought that thing on her head was a gun. Stop. She stopped coming for me and came for him. That's crazy. Wait, why is he as short as me? The freak. I'm a midget. I mean, I'm a baby. I'm following him. I'm not following you because you have the gun. I'm following you because you have the gun and you can shoot the murder. And I want the gun. Joking. I know you heard no rumors. You must have to hurt right now. Guys, I feel like I have to leave before the video gets full. I'm gonna check in here to see if she's in here. No? Hide in the sink. I'm probably gonna die, but I mean, it's worth it. Okay, no one's in the sink. I was like, do you think she would reset? No, she would never. To herself? No. 1v1, 1v1. I swear, if she can kill me from here. Yeah, I know. I'll say bye. The freak is all he left. He said, bro, well, bro got banned. Why? What the? Why? He got banned? Why? That's not unfair. What did he say? Anyways, bye. I feel bad. He's not even banned. He's an MM2 aim trainer. to learn more MM2. Anyways, bye. And I'm not going to school.